So if your breeding season has come to an end, we'd highly recommend doing all the necessary cleaning and maintenance work with your Moocall HEAT collar before storing it away until next season. First step is to simply inspect your collar for any general wear and tear after being on the bull. Some bulls can be more inclined to scratch off trees, walls or ditches, which tests the structural integrity of the rubbers and hard wearing nylon plastics. Clean your Moocall HEAT collar using a hard bristled brush to take off any loose dirt on the plastic and rubber joints. Then you can use a damp cloth to take off any of the remaining dirt stuck on the unit. The collar is very water and rain resistant, but it is recommended not to submerge in a bucket of water to clean. Marks and scratches will be common on all used collars, but they will not affect the device's performance. If you think any parts on your Moocall HEAT collar need to be changed or fixed, please contact Moocall for assistance, or you can purchase spare parts on our website at www.moocall.com. There may be some build-up of dirt or hair from the bull in the metal buckle. Ensure to clean this out and spray some freeing oil on it once cleaned, just to ensure it's kept healthy. Next, plug in your collar to fully charge the batteries before storing it away. When plugged in and charging, the light on the side of your collar will be a solid blue with a red flash if the software upgrade is taking place. When charged, the light will go to a fully green indicate. So finally, keep your collar safe by storing it in its hard plastic case. Like with any electronic device, it is best practice to avoid storing in any extreme temperatures to optimize your battery's performance. Storing inside the house would be the preferred option than a cold shed, particularly during the winter months.